In today's video, I'm going to teach you, is Cloudways still good in 2026? Step-by-step review and guide. If you want faster websites without dealing with the complexity of managing a raw cloud server yourself, Cloudways is still one of the most practical options available. A big reason for that comes down to how it solves one of the oldest hosting problems. On traditional shared hosting, your site can be affected by other websites on the same server. If another site gets hit with a traffic spike, your performance can suffer too. Cloudways takes a different approach by letting you launch an isolated cloud VPS through providers like DigitalOcean, Vultr, or AWS, so your resources are separated and much more predictable. Another reason Cloudways still stands out in 2026 is its updated performance stack. Their Lightning stack is designed to improve speed with Nginx and tuned PHP FPM, which helps reduce time to first byte and makes pages feel more responsive. They also now offer autonomous scaling for users who want the platform to react automatically during traffic spikes. And the built-in AI Copilot adds another layer of convenience by monitoring server health and flagging issues early. Combined with Cloudflare Enterprise Analytics, you get much better visibility into performance and security. To launch your first server, log into Cloudways and start a free trial account if needed. Once inside the dashboard, click Launch Now. From the application menu, choose the setup that fits your project, such as WordPress, WooCommerce, or Laravel. Then give your application, server, and project clear names so everything stays organized. Next, choose your cloud provider. For many production websites, DigitalOcean Premium or Vultr High Frequency are solid starting points. Set the server size to at least 2 gigabytes of RAM, choose your preferred data center location, and launch the server. Provisioning usually takes several minutes, so give it a little time. Once the server is active, go to the Applications area and open your new app. On the Access Details page, look for the Admin Panel section. There, Cloudways provides your login URL along with the username and password for the site backend. Use those details to sign in and confirm everything is working. After that, connect your custom domain. Copy the public IP from the Access Details screen, then go to your domain registrar and create an A record pointing your root domain to that IP address. Back in Cloudways, open Domain Management, add your domain, and set it as primary. Then go to SSL certificate, enter your email and domain, and install the free Let's Encrypt certificate. Finally, open your site in a private browser window and make sure it loads correctly, shows the secure padlock, and works smoothly. That final check confirms your setup is ready to go.